YoYo Games announced yesterday another game jam competition, and when I saw the prize pool, I felt like I had to create a video to bring attention to it because this is the sort of thing that changes lives. For those that don't know, I really got a huge break when my game Another Perspective won a competition not unlike this back in 2013. The prize money let me quit my job and focus on my channel full time. It was kind of a big deal for me. So it's super exciting to see YoYo able to do more of this stuff since their acquisition by Opera, who are sponsoring this competition with a $33,000 prize pool, including getting the winners announced by PewDiePie and having the top game installed and featured on arcade cabinets. The specifics of this part aren't super clear just yet. I don't know where the game will be shown or in what countries or for how long or what, but it's mostly worth remembering it will be part of the judging criteria, so make sure your game would play well on a cabinet if you're going to enter. All the rules etc are available in links I'll pepper in the description, but what I want to say is please enter these competitions. I entered the Microsoft sponsored Win Big competition on a total whim. I did not expect to win. I thought maybe I would get one of the runner-up prizes or a free Game Maker license or whatever it was. Instead, my life was changed forever. I'm not saying that'll happen for you, but I'm saying it definitely won't if you don't enter, so get on that. It is a theme-based competition. The theme will be announced 4th of March, and you have until the 18th to make your game, so 2 weeks. Let's see what you all can do. I know some will want to know if I'm entering, and it's tempting, but honestly, probably not. I've got enough work on right now, and I kind of want to see other people lifted up by these prize pools. I already had my break, so get in there, make a game, and take all this dang money. If you've been watching my channel and doing Ludum Dares and game jams and whatever else, then this is what you've been unknowingly training for, so get in there. Cheers guys, best of luck, and I'll catch you all next time.